Preparing salsa for fish. I put garlic, ginger, paprika, black pepper, and then small oyster sauce and lemon. Small salt only, then mix it. Black pepper also. I preparing sauce. I put oil, black pepper, and then lemon, and paprika, also turmeric, and small oyster sauce. And then I will mix small salt also. Then I will preparing now. I mix like this.